gonna go play it? What we playing at? Big Daddy, what we playing at?
No, your mom there trying to find out who they got the hot, the so hot.
I'm trying to walk around.
Oh, that man said we can wait. Let's walk this way first. And then we'll come back that way.
All the machines back there.
Oh, we're gonna walk and we're coming back.
Okay. In my BMW? Baby, cash money back. Let me move in front of y'all, cause my viewers be wanting to see these slot machines.
I'm gonna have to try that Midnight Express.
They got the nice thing.
What's 3, y'all? We gotta go get some money.
Got top cash. I got one hot 20 I'm gonna try for.
What's up, guys? You are now tuned in with your girl Tasha from Slot Machine Junkie. And what we're doing today, guys, we're about to go in on this Timberwolf Triple Power. And we going in $20 a person, and we got 1, 2, 3. How many people we have going in with us?
A total of 6. We tag team in this machine.
Okay, we have a total of 6
So
that's
do y'all
going in.
play
1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, or 10 cent.
Let's go read it. 2 cents, 2 cents. Let's play 2 cents.
And guys, we are at Southland Casino, and we're in Memphis. All right, guys, we playing a 2 cent denom, and we're playing 1 cent, $1.60. Okay, y'all.
Every time the pots to bust over, before the money ran out, that's how you go into the moment. Yeah, and see, I got money different just so when I would come in.
No, help me with this chair. Help me with this chair.
Oh no, the chair got me see.
I gotta back it up. All right, thank you, y'all. All right, what we playing, y'all?
You just start off with 80 cents.
80 cents.
Oh,
So
yeah.
160.
Yeah, it's already set.
Okay, 80. Okay.
So let's see what happens. Every time you come out, you want that money to overflow.
Bree, come on, do the honors. Bree, you lucky. Come on, Bree. Y'all, I'm gonna put these spins in the hands of my baby daughter. Let's go, Brianna. Hit it.
I'm gonna board it.
All you do is press that play, girl, till we get some action going on. So what we're needing on this game, we need 3 moons. I mean, we need owls, 3 owls, and we get the free games, 3 owls.
And then if the pot overflow, we'll get the game too.
We get the rising game, or either Timberwolf Gold or either Timberwolf Bulls.
Yeah, it's gonna pay.
So we gotta get this boy warmed up, guys, because nobody was playing it. Let's go, Owl. Got my son-in-law in here, guys. Come on up, Muncie, and talk to the fans. Got my son-in-law in here.
We in here locked in. We trying to get the big money, all big money. We don't want no little money. Oh, $6, that's still something.
All right, my son, get up here.
So that's our first hit. We're winning some money.
So we're winning, how much is it? It says, so how you know it says 6 of, it shows you right there. So we made $12 because we're playing a 2 cent machine.
Well, we betting $1.60.
Yeah, we playing 2 cent.
Man, 2 cents, 2 cents and
We finna get this money. We finna get this money.
Woo.
What you gonna do for me? What you gonna do for me?
Yeah, we want them out.
Give me that money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, we
Some
need
slight.
something more than J's here.
Some
Come on,
slight.
give us some action.
Some slight. It ain't nothing. Okay, the Bears.
Let's go, Bree. Work that magic, girl.
It ain't nothing. It's all good.
Come on, we gotta get this money. Take your time. Take your time.
Slow rolling, girl.
I think it needs your hands, not that.
Put
I
some
think it needs
love
your
on
hand.
it.
I think it need a second best.
All right, Big Daddy, you want to come on, fill in for?
I'm gonna let my daddy fill in.
Thought that was it.
Oh, I
If we had
almost
got
had it,
one
y'all.
mile, we would have had.
Finna let my daddy take over.
Let's go, Big Daddy. Come on, Big Daddy. give it to me. Don't put it in front.
Yeah, I don't want that in the video. Come on, baby.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you what those
Almost.
bowls look like up there, guys. Those bowls are filling up there. That's what we want, guys. We need to get some of those different features at the top.
Come on, baby.
It's been rough.
Come on.
It's been a buzz.
Come on, talk to me.
So should I stop it? Stop the game now? Got a little hit,
So we
guys.
got a little hit back.
But
So long we keep, but we need some big hits.
yeah, we need some big hits because we are not breaking even right now. We just dropping. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that could be more. That might be 25. That might be 25.
So it
Oh,
says
yeah, it's
12,
25. So it's 25 plus.
So we getting a
Yeah,
little
we
bit.
hungry.
So we getting a little change.
So we get like 40 something.
Ain't gonna be no 40. 25 plus. See that?
25. So we playing, and we're
So
playing
that good.
a 2
Look,
cent.
so we ain't down much now. We're almost at 100.
Yeah, we playing a 2 cent denom, guys.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. We new guests.
Be good.
We
Be
new
good to
guests.
us. Be good to
Oh,
us.
listen,
Okay.
listen.
Be good. Be good to us.
We are new guests.
Now,
Ooh, I thought we had it.
They getting hot.
You see that?
They getting hot.
That
Yeah, come on.
Timberwolf rising. All right, my son-in-law is about to take over.
Munty time.
Let's
Come
go,
on,
man.
Everybody
Let's
take their
go.
turn.
Let's go. Don't show yourself.
Yeah, Jamal, tell me, y'all gonna everybody gonna take their turn. Match the money.
Let's go,
Get
baby.
that money. Look that love in it. Oh, that's it. That's it.
You're nervous? You're nervous? You're nervous.
I want to see where's my pot, where's my muscle. We still doing good.
All right, who next?
You scared? You scared?
Oh. At least we put some in the pot.
Okay.
Come
Ha-
on, Bree,
Turn your back.
Jamal,
Oh, and then it gotta get.
you gotta hit. Look at you, the last one. All right,
Let's
Taylor,
go.
and then
My
Jamal.
oldest daughter is taking over. Let's
Yeah, but
go.
start it back over. Let's see what it looks on the phone. All them fools now.
Look at those pots. Look at those pots.
And what we want all, if we get all three in the pot to bust at one time, it's gonna be serious.
Yes, it is.
Oh, so you got another purple.
Now, it
No
can bust
purple
at
milk
any time. Any time. No, I don't know, bro. I don't know. You can't even that pipe go to the bone.
Oh, my.
One, two, down. All the pop food.
Oh, my. It almost gave us all the wolves. The wolves pay good. The wolves with the moon.
One of them got the pop.
Come on, baby. Come on, now. Don't do it like like this.
Oldest son is taking over Mark.
Okay, get our $60.
Let's go.
Give me that. Come on. Give me that. Money. Yeah.
Let's go. Mark, Slot Machine Junkie needs some action here.
Action.
Let's go, baby.
We finna hit this. Oh yeah.
We tag teaming, guys. If you're new tuning in, we are tag teaming on Timberwolf Triple Power. And we have 3 bowls that's about to run over, guys. And we trying to get those features to bust open so we can get this big money. We're playing 2-cent denom, 2-cent machine on a $1.60 bet. So let's go. And we are at Southland. All right, we like to hear that wolf holler. We like that. But we're at, what's the name of this casino? It's Southland.
Well, they got loose of these slots. Southland Casino.
Southland Casino in Memphis, guys. It's our first time here.
We need to pop one of these. Come on.
Yeah, we're trying to get this money. Y'all, we may have to up our bet up a little bit, guys. I'm telling you. All right, looks like we're warming up a little bit.
$16. It's like you got $16.
You got 200 times 1 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. Yeah, you go, baby.
That's a good hit.
She can count. You know how to count that money. Let's go.
Come on, baby.
Yeah. That money. Get that money, baby.
Come on, baby.
Oh. See, if you get the
All the
wolves, yeah, with that moon, it pay good.
Give us the wolves.
Or we need the 3 hours. The 3 hours give us free games. Or,
Somebody else gotta go.
I never actually played the triple wolf by whoa.
Man, I thought that was it.
I thought that was it too. Keep going, keep rolling.
Gotta get 3 of them.
Okay.
Come on, baby. We need these. Come on.
So what? Come on, baby.
Come on, Timberwolf. Show out one time.
Oh my goodness. You notice the timber, he got green around.
Yeah.
So that probably means something else.
Now that green go with the green.
See, it says
and then
red.
The red go with the red.
Yeah, okay.
You know that's what that means.
Yeah,
And then
okay.
the purple go with the purple box.
Come on, he rubbing it down, guys. He rubbing it down. He's showing the machine a little attention. He let the machine know he wanted to come on with
Yeah,
that.
your turn now.
All right, well, Slot Machine Junkie got to take over here. Let's go here, Slot Machine Junkie. Let's get this money here.
Man, them pots just run. You know, don't make no sense. They gonna pop
Let's
in
go,
the
let's go.
middle. Money like this.
We got to stay with it, guys. We got to stay with it. Come on, baby. Woo, all I needed was one more
You
owl.
got to say we okay, let it go.
Y'all see how the owls got different colors around it? So it's matching the bowls up at the top. What are those, barrels? Look like barrels.
Red and purple. Red and purple.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, that's a little something. Come on now. You're paying me peanut. We need some big money. Let's go. Y'all already know Slot Machine Junkie don't like that peanut money. I'm a big girl. I need a big bag. I need big money. I need a jackpot. You hear me? You hear me? You just hear me? That's $2. Not good, not good. We need big money.
I mean, 2 coins went over there.
And keep doing it.
Well, we can get all the things and bust at one time. That's gonna be zero money.
act like they want to come. Come on, Spence.
They're trying to see if you're ready to get with. Come on,
Anybody want to take over? Anybody want to take over? They're not showing me any love. 80 cents. Come on. That's really peanut. All right, guys, we're down to $22. I'm gonna pause this game a minute. We're gonna be back when we get some action going on here. When they loose this money. Loose this money. Guys, we decided we gotta go back in another 20, guys.
Another 20.
Hey, y'all, we're gonna have to up that bet a little bit.
And we're gonna take our bet higher this time. Okay, I got my 20.
Everybody going in with their 20s.
Okay, Monty got hit 20, Bree got hit 20.
Show me them 20s. Going in, baby.
Come on, baby. We done made it too far.
20s going in. It's another 20. 20 going in. Move over, John. 20s going in.
Yeah, we can't stop now.
So we agree we're gonna change the denom.
25
And
cents.
we're gonna go with 5-cent denom now. And we're gonna play what we playing?
That's $4.
The lowest bet? What's the lowest bet?
$4.
Let's go for it. Let's go for it.
Take it too
But
fast.
look, but when we hit one of them, look how much you got to pay.
Let's go for it. Y'all wanna go for it, guys?
Y'all want to play?
We gotta play
Y'all want to play
$4.
$4? We changed it to none. Let's go.
Playing 5
Yeah, we got
cents.
with
Let's
it.
do it. Let's do it, Big Daddy. Let's
Let me
go
play.
for it.
Go
All
ahead.
right. It's rock and roll. We changed our denom, guys. We're playing 5 cents now.
We got to get that money. See, that's
Playing
$6.
$4.
That paid $6 already.
Let's go, cause we trying to get these
We
babies.
trying to get the
buzz.
cheese.
Trying to get this big money. Big money.
I'm gonna get that money now. We're gonna make something happen in a minute. Come on.
Come on, baby. Come on, Spence. We pulling for you. Come on, Spence.
See? Yeah.
So we actually need three of the owl faces, right?
I just got to find the norm we're gonna hit on.
Yeah, we got to find the right number.
I'm gonna go back 2 cents and then I'm gonna go
Yeah,
up
we're
higher.
gonna go back to 2 cents, guys. We're gonna
Yeah, we got
try $2.40.
We gotta change our strategy. 1, 240.
240. So we
Oh,
got
no,
to
we gotta
find
go
out
back.
what this machine like. You gonna know what it like because it's just gonna be hidden.
They do 320. Come on, baby. Yeah, I don't know why I keep tripping. Come on.
All right, that's a little something.
320.
We need more though.
Need more.
Way more.
Okay, come on, baby.
That machine's a little weak. Something going on here.
Yeah.
They got to loose this money.
Come on, baby. See, what they want us to play low.
Southland Casino, you got to loose this money, honey. So you got me way down here.
Come on, baby. Oh, that's $30.
$30.
That's a good hit.
I see.
Yeah, now that's a good hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got all them
$30.
plays. That's a good hit.
We need that about 4 more times. And we'll have our money back.
Come on, baby.
Where
It's right.
are you spins? Where are the spins? What is going on? What is going on here?
Come on, baby.
Be there. Oh my.
You saw that? I said, dude, that was it, but I thought that was it. Come on, baby. They're gonna bust in a minute. They're gonna make a loud.
You know, our bet guys, like, they not turning loose this money. They not loosing this money for slot machine junkie. What is wrong with them? I came to get this money. That's what
Come
I'm
on,
here
baby.
for.
Golly.
Guess they know that I'm recording and they know that I'm a content creator and they trying to suck me in. Is that what they trying to do? And they took every bit.
So we really lost them. We like,
Okay, there go everybody. Okay,
Taylor,
we
come on,
going back
Taylor,
in, guys.
Taylor,
We
your
going
turn.
back in again. They just
I'm not
scammed
playing
us.
no that whole thing. They
Going back
y'all
in
out.
again.
We can't. Somebody got to get this money.
Somebody got it. Somebody, y'all just stop hiding.
Come on, Taylor. Go with it.
Somebody got that magic touch. Somebody lucky. Somebody lucky
We're gonna stay with
today.
that 2 cents because our money, our money is better with 2 cents. I can't stay with no 1 cent.
Taylor got a cheat test, I told you.
Somebody go pop it.
All right, we got Taylor on it.
Man, somebody got a cheat test, man.
Yes, sir. Come on, baby.
Somebody got it, man.
Oh. We don't even have a bingo board here, guys, at all. So these games are not regulated at all, guys.
None of the games got bingo board.
They ain't even.
Ain't not one of them got bingo board.
Yeah, so we're gonna go up to a 2 cent denom again.
Yeah, it ain't nothing wrong with going back and forth because you just trying to figure out what it's gonna hit on. So sometimes you got to play with the norm to find out what it's gonna hit. Man, no part is running over.
And we done put about what, 4 in here? $400? How much we put in here? It's a lot. We got to have some money. They playing with us. They playing with us, y'all.
$6. I just want one pot. If you give me one pot, I'd be happy.
Yeah, those pots are full, guys.
Them pots are running over.
They're
They got
not
the
even
bug.
giving us them pots, guys. What's up with this? Why they doing this to Slot Machine Junkie and family today?
Man, we need some action.
Yes, we do. Down here at Southland Casino in Memphis.
Break them up. Break them up.
We don't have no bingo board. I feel like I don't have no control here.
Yeah, they play.
I mean, you're just throwing coins and not letting them pop, do nothing. And what is up with this? Look at this. Those bowls are running over. Down to 80 cents. It went down to 80 cents. And
It's so
then
sad,
it,
though.
oh my goodness.
That's so sad.
I know it's
Yeah,
gonna do that. I know it's
That's why we said it's gonna probably do it on 80 cents. So we got 12 free games. So we got, so look, so this is what gonna happen, guys. Every time we get a bag, we don't money just hand the bag. It could be maybe we get all the bag is like the amount of fall.
As soon as we went to 80 cents, guys, to on a 1 cent denominator,
That's it.
they did us bad.
They did us dirty. So they need to repay us.
They need to give us that grand or that major up
At
there.
least that major for $5.
That's right. Oh, Richard.
You see somebody walk right up on the machine. They want to hit. That's why when the pot goes, they walk away.
3
Every
times.
time. Now,
We needed them wolves. How many more games we got, guys?
we got
4 more? Oh, man. Come on now. At least it should give us our money back.
See, I only hope we need to get some gold bag though.
Yeah.
We ain't got no gold bag.
making that little peanut money. You know. So we gotta go on the other
We
side.
might want to cash this out and go put this in another machine. Yeah, we ain't been playing the machine no more. We did our dirty.
Let's do it 3 more times. I own 86.
Let's go. Let's
Yeah,
go.
y'all. No, we just need to get out the machine. Yeah, we need to get out the machine. Play it down to 6. You gonna play it down to what? Okay.
That's 2.
Play it down to $60 and then get off of it.
Okay.
For this machine, really sucks. I be nervous, guys. It's the hard part when you're walking away from it. Because we got this machine warm. But we gotta try somewhere else.
You were coming. You can't give up.
I was there with you.
Hey, you ready to the finish line? That's what I like. Come on, baby. We need some money. Y'all ready? Let me know when y'all ready. Let me know when you're ready. You ready, Bree?
Hold on, wait.
Let me know. If y'all say something, we can help for it. Y'all ready?
Okay.
Let's go, Big Daddy.
Wait then.
Let's go, Big Daddy.
All right, guys. Let's go.
Roll it.
You gotta take me for the money. You gotta take me for the money, baby. You better show out, too. You better show out. You ain't got time to talk to Jeff Taylor right now. Trying to poke us. Oh, what that is? I don't even know what that means. Oh yeah, you got collect, and then it turn into wood. Come on, baby.
What is going on with this camera?
Oh, turn one more. It's gonna change it to woods or something. It got to pay. Come on, baby. It got to pay something. Oh, that gonna be good. Yeah, that should be good.
Oh, that was 2.
That's like $80. That's like $80.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, that's 30.
Got 3 spins left.
Y'all, I'm having a little trouble with the camera swiveling a
So
little
we
bit.
need to collect
We collected all
8.
of them.
We need to collect.
We said 0.
So all of them changed now.
Change the bad
Okay, yeah, all of them are changed to bad wood. No, that's what we want. So they need to show enough pay on the last few spins. They need to give us something massive.
Then we took the bet of the $3.
That's why I'm saying you gotta stay with high bet. You can't play low. That's the only way you can win. You gotta play high. Now we making a little profit. That thing old us though. We need like a band. We need something huge. Yeah, it don't take but one spin.
We still got 3 more.
Got 3 more
So
spins.
how many wolves?
So everything changed to wood. Come on, man. We need a re-trigger. Man, we need a
So we got 5
5
times.
That ain't
Jacks.
nothing. That ain't nothing, man.
Yeah, 1 more spin.
We got one more spin. This ain't paying up like crap.
So we need a re-trigger now.
Man, that's it. We got one more spin.
So we need re-trigger. Something going
Oh,
on.
this is gonna be massive. This is gonna be massive.
Oh shit! That's 3 times, 5 times. 300 gave us our money back.
We got it, bro. We got it.
Yeah.
We got it. We got it.
Yes,
Hang out at the end.
Yeah.
Hang
Glad
out
we
at the
didn't
end.
leave, guys. Glad we didn't leave. Stay with it.
Hey, we go on, man. Hey, we gonna get some meat now.
Take that bucket, baby. Take that bucket.
Look at that money, guys. Look at that money. Look at that money. Yeah.
Look at that, Bree. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about.
Pay that money.
So you gotta pay off.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now that's free to them, boy.
That's what we needed right there.
5 times.
We paid up there on the last
On the
one.
last
We playing a
spin.
2 cent
On
denom,
the
guys.
last spin.
Yes.
852.
Keep going. Let's keep rolling too. Let's keep rolling.
Yeah.
Let's keep
Play
rolling.
down 800.
Yeah, let's
Play the 800.
Yeah, then play the 800.
Play the 800.
Yeah, we got to.
Oh yeah, let's put some more. Yeah, let's
No, play 2.
Okay, let's
No,
yeah,
they-
yeah.
cash this out, man. Cash this out. You say you say 800. You say cash out.
The camera is getting
I
you.
can pay 800.
I thought you said cash the money out though. Play the 800. Yeah. Let's just play the 800.
I think we need to play the 800. Okay, that's what I think.
Now we're gonna get we can let the boy pay. We got our money back.
Oh.
That's like a show. I'm sorry. And then that purple, look,
That was the red one.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go, guys. We feeling all hot right now, guys. We just flipped out.
We got a wood right there. That was a massive. We
Dang.
got a wood there. That
You
was
needed a moon. You needed a moon there.
man, we got that. But that's why it paid the what patience and everything. You can have patience.
Oh, we finna believe. I'm telling you, we got that. Muncie said we hungry. Muncie said go
We
back.
like was about to go get some grub, y'all. We was about to go get that grub.
Once we got our money back, we evil. Especially if it's
Ooh, we need one more.
one more.
It should be rolling. It should be hitting the spins back to back now. We need a one more hour. We would have had whatever.
Ooh, that purple.
Also,
Nobody will let that purple.
Monty, you want that first one? That first one, don't you? Oh shit!
Oh my
That
goodness.
almost. Ooh, be there. Oh my God.
I got that.
We cashing out now. Cash out.
Look, y'all somebody need to go bust it up in number 20.
Cash it out. All right, guys. We doing this thing again here.
Just
Slot
imagine we get
machine
all
junkie.
three of them at the same time.
We going for this 15,000, guys. Still playing a 2 cent denom. That's something, guys.
That's $4.
We trying to get
$8.
this
$8.
purple bowl to bust, guys.
I already
Purple
got a
and
problem.
green.
I already got a problem.
That boy.
All right, guys, let's go. Ooh,
Come on, give us
that
some
purple
good.
got the bug. It got the
It's
bug.
like that red. It's been up since that red.
It got to. It's been up there forever. Look at that.
Y'all, we want that purple bowl to
I
bust
want
so
that
bad.
rise and wool. That's what I want.
Yes.
Pop.
Boy, we can get that rise and that purple and the green at the same time.
What?
Boy, it's gonna be on like popcorn.
See, now we gotta just take this same strategy, go to Potomac.
Same strategy. That's it.
So hard to see.
Telling you.
Yeah.
So all we needed was the wolf, guys. We just need the wolf. I mean, it would be nice if all three would hit at the same
At the
time.
same time, that's what we want.
Yeah.
And then sometimes the pots don't have to be full for it to get it to bust over.
Yeah, sometimes it'll still bud.
It's still bust with it low.
Purple.
Oh. Somebody else want to play?
Go ahead,
Nah,
Joe.
that
You
You
I
got
told
that
you got
luck
rolling.
You and Taylor got a cheat tag.
Ooh. I told them I'm gonna pick it up again.
Daddy just got it
Tell you,
on.
boy, I
That $8 ain't
got that magic touch.
It's that cheat tag.
Got that magic
Bang
touch.
bang, right there, the purple. See, they're trying to give us everything but that purple. We want that purple.
They don't want to. They know that purple series.
Well, we can take a screen full of wolves. That'll be fine.
Yeah, a screen full of wolves.
Yeah, a
will be
screen
big.
full of wolves.
Pop.
With a 5 time.
Come on, baby.
See what we just got? Them wolves with the 3 time, 5 time paid all that money.
They paid.
Come on, baby.
We need about 4 on.
You have 3 minutes remaining for Da Vinci.
Come on, baby.
You have 3 minutes to report.
Look at that thing to fill back up again. Ain't that crazy?
And your 1,000
That's what I'm saying. Instead of being in purple.
That name again is Da
So
Vinci.
that
Spin
money.
your head
So
around.
the money's in the Timberwolf too.
You got that seam in the middle of your head.
Pop.
Spin your head, John.
Boy, somebody winning some money. Oh,
We about to play that one. Put 20 in there.
yeah, we
Got
still
20 in
playing it. We can't let
I'm
nobody.
about to put this in.
Put a 20 in there. Give me, let me put my 20 in there. I play it.
Let me put my 20 in.
Yeah, something. Can you get it?
Come on, baby.
And this the one we
Come on,
tag
baby.
teaming on right here, y'all.
What's wrong with this machine, Taylor? Come on, baby.
Come on, give us
green
something
aisle.
good. Let's drop your bed down.
I ain't dropping my bet. You drop your bet, you're gonna lose. You can't drop your bet.
Look at that, y'all. All those bulls. That's what
All of those bulls, guys.
Oh, I got him.
No green. It should have been right there.
Oh my God. Man, you see that? That is so dirty.
I'm dirtier. They're dirty, I'm dirty.
So we'll see. Either 60 or 80. One of them. That's a popular. See, it's a wolf in East Coast. Man, I don't know who's going to school with this master.
I'm putting my own 20 in there.
Oh, let me I'll put one with you. We trying to get this money. We came for the money.
That's right.
Trying to get some money. Trying to get some money.
Yeah, so I can go get some snow crab. Man, too high.
Mama, you need one more cougar.
Oh, it's $60.
You went free spin, Mama?
That's a good pay.
Oh,
You want to play, baby?
I ain't even see you pressing the button.
You want to play?
Oh,
I don't know. I'm kind of looking at that little B game over there.
that little beat
That
ain't
game
paying.
was fun.
Well, that thing paying a little.
Yeah, I guess after this, we'll just branch on out, y'all. 'Cause they ain't on
Yeah,
showing us no
Yeah, but we done,
I'm about to give all my money back.
yeah, cause we invested on this one machine.
Yeah, we might as well.
We can take it out at 120. Y'all want to?
No, we might well just go and just play that, and then if not, then we can just go.
Because it shouldn't take that long to keep these games.
Now you got to take it out at 120. So everybody gets 20. Y'all want to do that? Y'all want to keep playing? Oh, we got him.
What you stop?
Record. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
That's what we want. That's what
Y'all
we
see
want.
that? Do y'all see
Still
that?
the same.
I got that in 4K.
Look, record this one too.
My mama got 'em. Hey, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Then wait.
Now, on both, we're going to be able to do both of them at the same time.
All right, split it back on James. Split it back on me.
Y'all, I'm trying to get y'all both of them.
Thank you, Taylor. That purple got a pop.
All right, go ahead, Dad.
You got both of them?
Yep.
Turn it on James, though.
I got it on both of y'all.
Pop. You got to think about it.
Look, y'all,
That
look.
red?
Look, oh, shit.
That's going to be good.
Ooh, 2 times. Ooh.
It's going to be mad.
Ooh. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that?
That's like 45. That's 9. I know right now it's 9.
That's like 9.
Don't record me.
I'm not.
It's like $90. That's like 9. That's like 9.
Mom, you gonna have to do a lot of editing to this.
Okay.
Cause Daddy got in the video.
Okay, I get it.
I'm still in it.
No, you do your head when you re-trigger.
At the same time.
5 free games.
You ready for me to hit play?
Okay, hold on, wait.
Are you still recording her?
I'm gonna get both of y'all. Go ahead, Dad.
Let's go.
My mama got 30. She got 4 13 spins. My daddy got 1 of 12. Let's do this thing. I got y'all watching both of them. Let's go, baby.
Guys, I hope this is not confusing you guys. We are tag teaming these machines today.
We're tag teaming them, y'all.
We gotta keep this thing nice and interesting for the new year.
We need one more to change it.
Look at that. 2 times.
2 times.
But I needed
But you
needed some more.
Yeah, I needed them to be a little. Trying to stay out. So I still need how many bullheads, James?
You need 12.
12 bullheads. But I don't know if I'll get them unless I get a retrigger.
See, we can collect one the same like we did last time. So we ain't got but 3.
We need to collect one more though.
Yeah, we need one more to change it.
To the Santa
So
Claus.
that just paid
So that's
$110.
$110.
So keep it on me.
But we ain't got but 1 spin left though.
And that just paid like 16 times two.
Yeah.
That's 36.
Oh yeah, that's $32. That's $32.
32.
We got one more spin left, man. We need some re-triggers. That's what we need.
Now you might have to hit that button.
I was just letting it count out.
Taking the space.
I thought that
Let's
was
put the mom up, guys. It's been $4.80
Loose this
now.
money. Loose this money.
what the water for? How the fuck?
I think they be watching the game.
Y'all don't put no big holler. Big old mouth.
Y'all,
Say
my
that on
daddy's
camera.
funny.
They ain't them bad. You got a big mouth.
Y'all, my daddy's
I
a
don't know what they're
character.
watching in here, guys. Going on the bus off.
Ain't that crazy?
With them.
Ain't that crazy?
Wrong with them. Up in here won't lose this money.
Come on, baby.
Are you serious?
That should have been it, though.
Should have paid something more.
I ain't never played the machine that long and without busting the purpose.
What they got going on here?
They better believe when they bust, I know I'm getting off of it. If they ever bust. That's $29.
That's more than that. You playing 2 cents.
2 cents. That's like 100.
That's 100.
That's 100. That's like that 49 times 2. That's like $100 some dollars. And I ain't even saw when they caught all that stuff like that. You got no video,
I
though.
got it on video. Y'all, we don't know what just happened, but we won something, so that's great.
Big win.
Well, that pretty there, boy.
It's been $4.80.
Huh?
You want to pull out?
Who?
Jamar, you ready to pull out?
Jamal, we ain't finna pull out.
Jamar can put his in there.
Get it out and then go get the 20 with it and then put the 20 back in.
No, we ain't got time.
My your buddy's ready.
But I'm back at the same thing I had before, 220. 220 ain't but $35 P. That ain't no money. We're gonna pop it in a minute. Just hold on. They keep the faith. They keep the faith. They're gonna happen, I'm telling you.
We locked in. We done invested some time in this
And we
machine.
can't run. Ain't no way we gonna lose. That'll be crazy. Or somebody run and somebody come over here and win all their money.
So what is going on the TV? What?
They watching some football game.
The Red done got back up again.
Oh, they playing us, y'all.
Look, they trying to see how really serious we are. Look at that purple. Boy, if he ever bust off.
We're gonna be back, guys, when it's some action.
Right at the top. It's gonna be made. It's gonna be huge. all of them want to fall, and when it do fall, we're gonna get a jackpot.
Yeah, don't record. No, right now, no, nothing. They ain't them though.
They ain't them.
Oh, that's
They should.
y'all, we don't know what's wrong with this machine. It's trash. It's a trash. It just take it. It won't hit nothing else. We got 3 big bowls up there, guys, full, and they won't let them bust, guys. They holding that money, honey.
Man, what is $1? Are you serious? $1.
Down to the nitty gritty, guys. Let's see what happens. We playing a 2 cent. Oh, got that moon.
Ain't nothing.
Come on.
Yeah, I say we put.
Come on, look.
I say we put 120 in there, bet the max.
So we should, but that'll be $8. Y'all want to go for it?
We need to bet the max, like $6.
We need to get play high.
Yeah, we need to bet like $6.
We'll put it on 1
Let's
cent.
go for $8.
I'll put it on 1 cent and play high.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna
for
play.
it.
Like $6.
Let's go for it. 20 in.
Yeah, we're gonna play the Mac now. We're gonna play the Mac. We got to.
20 in.
Me and your mama 20.
20 in.
And then if you don't do that, I don't know what y'all gonna do then.
20 in. All right, we got 20 in. Let's go.
That thing ready.
Oh, they almost look like Christmas.
We're gonna bet the max.
Yeah, that's why we gotta let it pay.
All right, let's let it rip.
We gotta play the Mac now.
Let's go, guys. I wish we had a bingo board to shake it up, y'all. But we don't have no bingo board.
Something like that.
All right, James, you gotta hit the button. We ain't got no time to waste with it.
$21.
Already. You see what I'm talking about? $8 is on $6.
Alright guys, I just don't know about this machine, y'all. It's stressing slot machine junkie out. We about to go, guys. We gotta run.
You ready? Then we want the gold, but they got to pay us something. Mind you, time 3. They finna pay money. I'm telling you, they finna pay. We'll put too much money in here. We finna get this money. We finna money finna get this money. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Yeah, it's in here.
We need them gold back. Look at that. There you go.
We're gonna get some gold bags.
It's finna get your money.
Look, we already got 1 gold bag.
We don't need but 1 gold bag to get the brand. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't play with us. Bags. We need them bags. What the bags at? What the bags at? That 1 bag right there might have that $500. It might have the $2,500, $500 on the green. You know, we can't get no less than 500. We hit a minor, that's here to put us in the game. One more spin. But it means something. When you get 1 bag, okay, that's $20. Come on, be big.
$500.
Let's go. Oh yeah, sir. Man, I was here with y'all. I was with y'all. Did I go in? Yes, I did. I put it in. I
this out of here, Lord. Give me a Lord right here. This out. Give me money. We can't let it for me. Yes, I did. I said, man, I told you. I told you couldn't get no Lord. What you talking about? I already know the Lord. That's the last thing. That's it.
Jamal gonna turn me again on y'all. Never do that. Show our face.
Okay, this out. Okay, this out. This out. And we're gonna put another 20 in there. Well, I'm a man. 2 more plays.
Air drop.
We still haven't got that purple, my
We had put in our last little bit of money.